Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create a survey in Microsoft Forms. All right, just go ahead over to your favorite browser and type in forms.microsoft.com. All right, once done, just hit on enter and wait for the website to load. Now, once it loads, just go ahead and make sure to log in right here. All right, so you will be able to see this exact page. All right, and as you can see here, you'll be able to see templates right here. For example, survey, quiz, invitations, and registrations. All right, and go ahead and go to template gallery if you want to see more. Now in here, for example, I'm going to take in some survey. I'm going to click on survey right here as the title suggests. All right, now what we're going to do here is just name the form. For example, survey sample. All right, and the form description, it's up to you. Form description sample. Here's your title and here's the description. Now, as you can see here, you'll be able to add a photo right here or media or any other media. For example, I'm going to click this one right here and you can go ahead and image a search using Bing, or you would want to upload this one right here by clicking on upload and by using a random photo. All right. Say, for example, I'm going to add a photo of my family right here, or this one, maybe the food. All right, I'm going to hit on open. I'll wait for it to load, and as you can see, it is now tied on your survey form. Now, you're going to want to go ahead and click on Quick Start With. Click on it. As you can see here, you'll be able to choose choice, text, rating, date, ranking, and this one right here that is used to gauge attitudes and opinions about a topic, net promoter score or section. Say, for example, I'm going to add in some text. All right, question number 1. So, what's your name? If you would require a long answer, just go ahead and tick on this slider right here and make sure that you tick on it is required so that they will be required to answer in a long form. All right, and go ahead and add a new question right here if you want to. For example, you would want to use choice or radio buttons. For example, I'm going to click on it. All right, so you can see here, question number 2, gender. For example, click on this one right here to edit. Option 1 would be a male, then female. All right, or you can add in prefer not to say. All right, now once you're done with that, just go ahead and hit on present so you'll be able to see it. All right, as you can see, it is still waiting for replies because we haven't gave this link or form to people. All right, you can go ahead and share this QR code right here when you click on it. All right, right click and hit on save as, then head over to your desktop and save it to your desktop. You'll be able to see the QR code right here. You can go ahead and send this to everyone that you would like to take the survey, or you can just go ahead and hit on copy link right here. People will be able to paste it in their URL box, hit on enter, and from here, they'll be able to answer your form. For example, what's your full name? Ryan Christian. Example, then I'm going to hit on gender male, then hit on submit. As you can see, your response was submitted. Now when we go back to our survey sample, and as you can see here, we have one response here that is saved. All right, what's your full name? Ryan Christian. Next, gender would be male. If you want a tree map, just go ahead and use this one. If you want bar, like here, you can go ahead and use this one as well. And that's basically how you create a survey in Microsoft Forms. All right, well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.